Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to study about some amazing animals. How are animals different from one another? You see different animals around you, don't you? Before we start to know more about them, let us first see some words that we are going to use later on in this unit. Gills. Gills are used for breathing. Those animals who live underwater, they use gills to breathe. Mammals. Mammals are a group of animals that contains fur or skin. Mammals don't lay eggs. Me, you, we are all mammals. Eggs. An oval or round body surrounded by shell. You eat eggs on a daily basis, don't you? Amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting. They are animals that need water or moist environment to survive. For example, frog. Then we have different names which all mean the same. Skin, scales, feathers, fur. They are used to cover the body. Wings. They help birds to fly. Before we start to read, let us learn something new before we read. Compare and contrast. What is compare and what is contrast? Compare means to tell how something is same. Contrast means to tell how they are different. Let us consider an example of honeybee and birds. If we have to compare between honeybee and birds, they both have wings. If we have to contrast between honeybees and birds, honeybees make hives, a place where honeybees live. Birds make nests, a place where birds live. Let us first now consider a text and then we will figure out which one is a comparison and which one is a contrast. Mice and hamster are both mammals. They both have fur, 4 legs, and they run fast. Hamster live inside and mice usually outside. Both animals are same. These are 4 things in which we are going to find the comparison and contrast. Let us see if mice and hamster have which one of these things as same and which one as different. Fur. Is it same or is it different? Yes, you are right. It is same. 4 legs. Is it same or is it different? Yes, you are again right. It is same. They live inside or outside? You are very right. It is different because hamster live inside and mice usually outside. Are they both big animals or small animals? They both are small animals. Now what you have to do is, you have to learn all these words and you have to write the creative sentences of the new words that we have learned. That's all for today.